Alright boys, what is good? So I'm back with another live trade, and today we are on AN, also known as AUDNZD. I believe my last backtesting video was on this pair, and today we finally got a trade to show it in action. I entered this trade about an hour ago. There was a signal for it in the Discord, of course, and it's looking pretty nice. I was doing something when I first entered it, unfortunately, so yeah, I'm a little bit late on it, but let me break this down real quick. So what we have right here is our obvious level of liquidity right here, and it then came up and broke this high, like perfectly, and then came down. One concern about this was that we matched this high right here, basically. We failed to break that, which isn't great, and we also then came down kind of failing to break these highs, but the level of liquidity is very nice, and the zone is very nice. It is an accuracy zone. We may have even faked people out with the normal drawn zone that most people would use. As you can see, we reacted very harshly from it. People would have got in, and then we came in and reacted from our zone. That's why accuracy zones are really important, by the way. Like, it is just how the market moves. Like, why would an investor get in here when he could get in down here for an extra few pips? But yeah, reacted really nicely. My entry was around here because of spread, but you should probably put in the proper entry actually, just because that's the way to properly do it. But yeah, TP at the high for a 1 to 6, not bad at all. Could even come up here for a 1 to 8. We'll see what happens. We'll see what the price action is looking like when we get up to there. But yeah, it does look like quite a lot of liquidity past all these highs, so if we do break past it, then it's looking pretty good. Overall, in the higher time frames, it's nothing crazy. We reacted from this demand zone right here, even though it does look like we closed inside, but this was a new open, I presume, because there's a bit of a gap. But yeah, we have like reacted from that area, and we went bullish from it, looking like we're beginning to make higher highs, not breaking lows anymore. Hopefully we'll break this high next, which obviously was the target that we were looking at. But yeah, now this looks really messy. Great. Yeah, overall, not bad at all. It is pretty likely that I'll take this for the 1 to 6 if it does continue going up. Obviously, I don't expect it to just shoot straight up. I expect some kind of retracement. But we also have EU going on right now, but yeah, this has been going on for a while, so this isn't really part of the live trade, just thought I'd mention it. This is the original zone. You can see we had 2 candle liquidity come down, and now he broke the high. Once again, not our usual kind of zones, but it's valid. We're very bullish, so it makes sense to take. And yeah, even though we've kind of made this little retracement here, we do have this zone right here, pretty normal demand zone, to be honest. Technically, we do have liquidity here, but it's not something we'd take. And we're acting pretty nicely from it, so it's looking like this could potentially win as well for a 1 to 5, or once again, because I got spread on this, on the proper entry, this would be a 1 to 6. But yeah, we're mainly focusing on AUDNZD today, and yeah, damn, this is looking pretty beautiful, I won't lie. But I guess I'll get back to you on this later. Hopefully it will have moved a little bit. Damn, this is moving nice. But yeah, see you in a second. Peace. Alright, so I'm back, and I'm just going to go into replay mode right here to show kind of what happened, because this is actually a few days later. It has been through the weekend, so I'm just going to quickly show you what's happened. We had this insane push up, instantly hitting TP1. This was originally going to be full TP, but it just ran so nicely. I'm pretty confident this can hit a full 1 to 10 at this point. Yeah, and since we've just had some fairly messy price action, not too much has happened. Just kind of what you expect to see. But AN is a notorious 1 to 10 pair from backtesting. As RD has said in the signals chat, we are looking for a full 1 to 10. As he said right here, this is also like a pretty low down trade. Like if we look back, we have just come from this massive bearish run, and we are right at the bottom, so this could so easily hit the 1 to 10 if we predicted this correctly, which hopefully we have, because we seem to be pretty good at predicting like trend changes and everything. We get some of our biggest trades off trend reversals like a lot of the time, and this is looking exactly like one of them. Once again, there's still possibility for this to be a TB2 right here, but it's AN. I think we might as well go for the 1 to 10, especially of how beautiful this price action has been. But yeah, either way, stop losses at break even. We've locked in quite a bit of profit, can't really complain. A little update on EU, we went to break even. Once again, in the signals chat, we moved stop loss to break even because it was like getting up on weekend swaps. So yeah, we got tagged out for break even. Swaps would have taken us out anyway, and then it would have won. And I'm pretty confident if we were just a little bit higher up during that time, volume would have been higher, this wouldn't have hit stop. But yeah, just unfortunate timing on that trade, but we did the right thing in closing at break even. Especially with EU, a lot of the time it will gap like quite a lot. And then also this GJ trade from the other day is hit full 1 to 10, and we're potentially looking to hit this zone as well. Markets are looking beautiful right now, I'll be honest. We'll see what's up, and I'll let you know once this AN trade has done something. So yeah, we'll see you in a second. Alright, so it's a little bit late, but just thought I'd get this recording in because there's a high chance that this will hit the full TP by the time I've woken up. I forgot where we were at when I last recorded, probably somewhere around here, but we've since just kind of consolidated, but we've just had this little push up after swap hours has ended, and it's looking like we are heading straight towards TP here. So really no complaints. We are currently 7.7 RR up, so that's pretty nice to see. But with this momentum, it's looking like we could definitely hit TP whilst I'm sleeping. Of course, I'll give you an update when it actually does hit TP or stop loss. Well, not stop loss because it's at break even now, but you know what I mean. To be fair, this candle could come back down. We literally have no bottom wick. We're making this top wick pretty fast right now, but we'll see. Yeah, I'll probably see you once this is either hit break even or TP. So yeah, see you in a second. Would you look at me, man, I've managed to actually catch the recording just before this is about to hit TP. Well, hopefully at least, unless it just does what it did here again, but it's looking like it's about to. We just kind of have like random price action to the left. There's like nothing that should really stop us from hitting TP here. Well, I mean, I guess there is this supply here, but it's very old. I doubt we'll get any reaction from it. Oh yeah, we've already faked out the zone. It's looking like we'll just break for it now. I'm telling you, bro, we just be catching 1 to 10 to this with this strategy. Originally, I wasn't planning to go for the 1 to 10 on this trade. I was going to take the 1 to 6 or maybe even the 1 to 8 at the highs over here. However, with the combined knowledge that AN usually runs for really high risk rewards in backtesting, that is, which is a good reason that you should backtest your pairs before trading them, because you can really learn some good things about them. And I might not have gone for this 1 to 10 if I didn't know that. But also, like I said, because we're pretty low down in this move right now, so we have a lot of potential to retrace upwards. This could definitely go for a lot more than a 1 to 10. It probably will, but for Forex pairs, I'm sticking to the rules, max 1 to 10 at the moment. But yeah, once you kind of see momentum like this right here, we just literally bounced straight up to TP1, which was ridiculous, by the way. You can kind of expect that it will hit the full TP. It did take a little bit longer than I expected, I'll be honest. I thought maybe we'd get something like this, maybe one more of these and then up, but no, we kind of consolidated quite a bit before coming up here, but that's fine. This is why you got to be patient in this game. A lot of people trade the 5 minute just because they don't want to wait for TPs like this to hit, but you really need patience in this game, to be honest. I think it's a very important skill to have. All right, and that's actually just tagged out my TP on MetaTrader a little bit early by the looks of it, based on the proper entry, but that's okay. We're all good. 1 to 10 basically hit. It definitely will hit, let's be honest. It doesn't really matter. But yeah, guess that'll be it for this video. Let me know what haircut I should get, because what's this doing? What's this doing? And I may consider it. But now for real, consider subscribing, liking the video, commenting. Feel free to join the Discord if you want, so you can hit trades like this with, you know, a few hundred other people. Of course, you don't have to, it's just the option is there. And hopefully I'll be opening 1-to-1 soon, because a lot of people are asking for that. Leave a comment if that is something you're interested in, and hopefully I should be able to get that open soon. So yeah, I'll see you boys next week. Peace.